Everything is new again, walking with a permagrin, head so high. I'm back with you and all is right. Shaking on the apple tree, ticking off the honeybees, watch them fly. It's just like we never said goodbye. And you're like a worn out shirt that's soiled with dirt, but fits me like a glove. I will not let you let me down. I will not let you let me down. This time, this is my final climb. In the wake of the storm, I was shaken, I was reborn. I got another shot to make it to the top today. I'm pulling up the sutures, I'm ready for the future. I'm ready for the slings and arrows and the fortunes lost. And there's a voice that's buried deep inside my head. As it stumbled out, it said, hey, I got another chance. I was living like a zombie, head in a trance. Hey, and we're slow, and life is all you know. And when it flashed before my leave the fallen and fend for yourself. Cold and broken on the ground. The leaves are falling, they'll cover us all and leave us in the fall alone. One December, when I was so delicate, I remember like today. You surrendered to separate and flee from fate and share. No gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Well, why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like the phantom limb she thought was him grew number by the hour. The distance aches and slowly makes her weak and overpowered. Say no more to me, pack up your storm. I've been lost in the woods since the day I was born. I'd have pushed you aside, but your body was warm and your hands were open. I've been guilty of kindness and love. I've been knocked on the ground when your push came to shove. But the scars on my body are withered and knotty, and they left me broken. from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth. And I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away. They say it won't last, you'll move along, but we're moving too fast, I know they're wrong. I clung to a blindfold and a book. I couldn't think, I couldn't look. A car careening off the road. I spoke like a riddle in a dream. My heart was pumping gasoline. I still was sleeping when I woke. Oh. My head ran away and then my heart, the whole caboodle fell apart. I didn't notice I was gone. But now there is music, there is light, and there is laughter, there is sight. I am new and I am strong. Ooh, free me, scrub away my callous thoughts, release me. Little tomcat, stay close to me, 'cause there are clouds on the horizon and a chill on the breeze. We're alone here, but don't you be scared. I've got a calloused hand, a farmer's tan, and I'm happy to share. You and I will both get by. Just promise you won't stray. All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I we're sheltered from the sunlight in the shade beneath the tree. We hide behind the shadows like an orphaned refugee. The apple tree of knowledge shed its fruit along the way. The injury is fading, but the hunger is here to stay until the day when there's no memory of what we used to be. The left hand and I was the right. You were the darkness and I was the light. But nothing's the same since the horrible night when Gemini fell from the sky. Your transient whispers were lost in the air. when the oceanside breeze came and swept through your hair, and the heavens were split past the point of repair. When Gemini fell from the sky, and I held you so close like an angel. These feet have carried me as far as I will go, across the field to where the wind had ceased to blow. That day when sorrow filled the air, and all the blackbirds scattered everywhere, and you had gone as far as you would go. In my reflection you were staring back at me. My eyes are mirrors of the dreams you used to see, but now I'm fumbling in the dark to where the memories are far apart, and there I lost the forest for the trees. In the gloaming of the day, the words are darkening away. Take another look, there's no more pages in this book. The epilogue was written in the dirt. The story's at an end, it's time to put away my pen and join you by the earth. There was a tremble in the marrow of my bones, distorted and contorted like a worn-out megaphone. And through the bellow and the bluster, I was shaking, I was flustered with a body full of star-crossed chromosomes. And through the clamor there emerged a single voice, a familiar sound I hadn't heard since I was just a boy. And all at once my fears were lifted as the echo slowly drifted to the center of the amplifying voice.